This is Charlie, 4 weeks old. Hi, Charlie. Hey, Charlie. And there's Mama. Here comes Mama. Hi, Della. Who's a good girl? Who's the best mama? Who's the best mama? Della, the good girl. You keep an eye on your baby. She doesn't like him far out of her sight. That's for sure. Huh, not for very long. Della girl. You're going to find the mama too. Okay. Oops. Hey, baby. It's a good girl. Oh, there he goes. He's off.